guys, so I'm currently here at kana alii because I heard from somebody on TikTok that they have the squishies at Jeans Warehouse. So I want to check that out. So come with me. Oh my god, it's so hot right now. But we're here. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go straight there and see. They have the bananas too. Gonna get this too and the peach because they're pretty expensive. So these are so cute. Okay, so I already got what I came for, so I'm just gonna pay now. Okay. Debit please.